Imagine waking up each morning and treating your skin to a touch of ancient wisdom, a simple ritual, passed down through generations, promising a healthy, radiant glow. This is the allure of turmeric ice, a practice rooted in Ayurveda, where the potent properties of turmeric meet the invigorating chill of ice. For centuries, turmeric has been revered in India for its remarkable healing and beautifying properties. Its golden hue, a symbol of purity and prosperity, hints at the transformative power it holds for the skin. When combined with the cooling touch of ice, it becomes a revitalizing force, awakening the complexion and revealing a natural radiance. This simple ritual is more than just a passing trend. It's a testament to the enduring wisdom of traditional practices. It's about harnessing the power of nature to enhance our natural beauty and achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. So, let's delve into the world of turmeric ice and discover the secret to unlocking radiant skin. Turmeric, often called the golden spice of India, has been cherished for centuries, not just for its vibrant color and flavor, but also for its remarkable skin-loving properties. Used in traditional Ayurvedic and home remedies, turmeric is a staple in beauty rituals across cultures. The secret behind turmeric's power lies in its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, which means it helps fight off free radicals, reduce swelling, and protect the skin from environmental stressors. This makes turmeric especially effective in combating acne, reducing redness, and soothing irritation caused by pollution or harsh weather. Regular use of turmeric can help even out skin tone, diminish the appearance of stubborn blemishes, and brighten the complexion, giving your skin a healthy, natural glow. It's also known to help fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, making it a favorite for those seeking a more radiant look. Complementing turmeric's benefits is aloe vera, a succulent plant celebrated for its soothing and hydrating properties. Aloe vera has been used for generations to calm irritated skin and provide relief from dryness and sun exposure. Aloe vera gel acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and locking it in for long-lasting hydration. Its cooling sensation instantly relieves discomfort, making it ideal for sensitive or inflamed skin. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, aloe vera also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that work in harmony with turmeric. Together, they calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote faster healing of minor wounds or blemishes. Modern scientific studies have corroborated these traditional uses, demonstrating the efficacy of both turmeric and aloe vera in treating a variety of skin conditions. Dermatologists and researchers alike recognize their potential in natural skincare. Research has shown that curcumin can significantly reduce inflammation associated with acne, eczema, and psoriasis, helping to calm flare-ups and support the skin's natural barrier. Meanwhile, aloe vera has been proven to accelerate wound healing, soothe sunburns, and even reduce the appearance of scars over time, making it a versatile remedy for everyday skin concerns. When combined, turmeric and aloe vera form a formidable duo, tackling a wide range of skincare concerns from dryness and irritation to blemishes and uneven tone. Their synergy promotes healthy, resilient, and radiant skin naturally. Harnessing their combined power in the form of turmeric ice offers a simple, natural, and effective way to achieve a glowing complexion. Creating your own turmeric ice cubes is a simple and rewarding process that brings the power of natural ingredients right into your daily skincare routine. Not only is this DIY project easy to follow, but it also allows you to control exactly what goes onto your skin, ensuring purity and freshness every time. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting your golden elixir, perfect for anyone looking to add a natural boost to their beauty regimen. With just a few ingredients and a little bit of time, you'll have a batch of soothing, skin-loving ice cubes ready to use. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of pure aloe vera gel, either freshly extracted from the plant or store-bought for convenience, and 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating and calming properties, while turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and brightening effects. Now for the instructions. First, combine and blend. In a clean bowl, thoroughly mix the aloe vera gel and turmeric powder until you achieve a smooth golden paste. Take your time to ensure the turmeric is evenly distributed, as this will help each ice cube deliver consistent benefits. Next, pour and freeze. Carefully pour the mixture into an ice cube tray, making sure each compartment is filled evenly. You can use a small spoon or spatula to help guide the mixture and avoid spills. For freezing time, place the tray in the freezer and allow the mixture to freeze completely, which usually takes about 4 to 6 hours. For best results, leave it overnight so the cubes are solid and easy to pop out in the morning. Using your turmeric ice cubes is just as easy and can quickly become a refreshing part of your morning or evening routine. For your morning ritual, every morning after cleansing your face, Gently rub a turmeric ice cube onto your skin in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. The coolness of the ice helps to reduce puffiness and wake up tired skin, while the turmeric and aloe vera work their magic. Focus on areas that are prone to acne, blemishes, or hyperpigmentation. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help calm redness, while aloe vera soothes irritation and supports healing. Once the ice melts completely, rinse your face with cool water and pat it dry with a clean, soft towel. This helps remove any residue and leaves your skin feeling refreshed. Then follow up with your regular moisturizer and sunscreen to lock in hydration and protect your skin from the sun's rays. This step is especially important as turmeric can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. This simple ritual, when done consistently, can work wonders for your skin, revealing a brighter, smoother, and healthier complexion. With just a few minutes each day, you'll notice your skin looking more radiant, even-toned, and refreshed. Proof that sometimes the best beauty secrets are the ones you make at home. The efficacy of turmeric ice isn't just folklore. It's actually backed by real-life experiences and a growing community of skincare enthusiasts who swear by its results. Across social media platforms and beauty forums, countless people are sharing their journeys, posting photos, and offering testimonials about how this simple remedy has changed their skin for the better. Many individuals have incorporated this ancient practice into their daily skincare routines, often as a refreshing morning ritual or a soothing end to a long day. They've witnessed some pretty remarkable transformations, from reduced redness and swelling to a more even, luminous complexion. The stories are as diverse as the people who share them, but the common thread is the visible improvement in skin health and confidence. Take for instance Priya, a 28-year-old marketing professional who struggled with persistent acne and uneven skin tone for years. She tried countless products, from expensive serums to prescription creams, but nothing seemed to deliver lasting results. Frustrated with conventional treatments and feeling overwhelmed by the endless options on the market, she turned to turmeric ice after hearing about it from a friend. Within just a few weeks of consistent use, she noticed a significant reduction in breakouts and inflammation. Her skin felt calmer, less irritated, and she finally began to see the clear skin she'd always hoped for. Her skin tone became more even, and her complexion had a newfound radiance that friends and colleagues couldn't help but notice. For Priya, turmeric ice became more than just a remedy. It was a confidence booster. Similarly, Deepak, a 35-year-old software engineer, battled with stubborn post-acne marks and persistent dullness that made him self-conscious during video calls and meetings. Inspired by his grandmother's stories of turmeric's healing properties and natural remedies passed down through generations, he started using turmeric ice as part of his nightly routine. Over time, he observed a visible reduction in the appearance of his marks, and his skin regained its natural glow. The improvement was gradual but undeniable, and Deepak credits this simple practice for restoring his confidence. Dermatologists have also acknowledged the potential benefits of turmeric ice, noting that while results can vary, the combination of turmeric's natural compounds and the cooling effect of ice can be a gentle yet effective addition to many skincare routines. Dr. Sharma, a renowned dermatologist, states, "Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, combined with the cooling effect of ice, can be beneficial for various skin concerns including acne, hyperpigmentation, and inflammation." She emphasizes that while it's not a miracle cure, it can complement other treatments and help maintain healthy skin. These real-life experiences and expert opinions really highlight the transformative power of turmeric ice, reaffirming its place as a natural and effective solution for achieving healthy, radiant skin. Whether you're seeking to calm irritation, brighten your complexion, or simply enjoy a refreshing skincare ritual, turmeric ice offers a simple, accessible, and time-tested approach that continues to inspire glowing reviews from people around the world. While turmeric ice offers a plethora of benefits, it's crucial to prioritize safety and avoid potential pitfalls. First, always perform a patch test before applying turmeric ice to your entire face. This helps determine if you have any sensitivities or allergies to turmeric. Also, while turmeric is generally safe for topical use, excessive application or prolonged use can temporarily stain the skin yellowish. It's best to start with a short duration and gradually increase the time as your skin adapts. After using turmeric ice, always rinse your face thoroughly to remove any residue and prevent staining. Follow up with a moisturizer and sunscreen, especially during the daytime. And of course, avoid contact with your eyes. Turmeric can irritate them, so be cautious while applying ice cubes near the eye area, and immediately rinse with water if contact occurs. By adhering to these precautions and being mindful of potential pitfalls, you can safely incorporate turmeric ice into your skincare routine and really reap its remarkable benefits. While turmeric ice alone can work wonders, here are some additional tips to enhance its effectiveness and boost your glow. First, focus on diet and hydration. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants, and stay adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. When it comes to lifestyle choices, manage stress through activities like yoga, meditation, or just spending time in nature. Prioritize your sleep, and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest each night. For complementary skincare, try incorporating other natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, or rose water into your routine. These ingredients offer additional hydration, exfoliation, and skin-soothing benefits. And honestly, consistency is key. For optimal results, make turmeric ice a regular part of your skincare routine. Consistency is really crucial for harnessing the full potential of this ancient practice. By combining turmeric ice with a holistic approach to skincare, you can amplify its effects and achieve a radiant, healthy complexion that glows from within. The journey to radiant skin is a personal one, and turmeric ice offers a natural and effective way to enhance your natural beauty. This ancient practice, rooted in the wisdom of Ayurveda, harnesses the potent properties of turmeric and the invigorating touch of ice to revitalize your complexion and reveal a healthy glow. As you embark on this journey, remember that consistency is key. Embrace the daily ritual of gently massaging your face with turmeric ice, feeling the coolness awaken your skin and the golden elixir work its magic. Share your experience with others and inspire them to embrace the power of natural skincare. Let turmeric ice be your secret to unlocking radiant skin and embracing the beauty that radiates from within.